to update the Opera GX mods you made. Here's how to properly update a mod you've already published or customized in Opera GX. Step 1. Before editing, open Opera GX, go to Mods Manager, and export a backup of your current mod. Click the three dots beside your mod and select Export Mod to save a copy in case something breaks. Step 2. Back in the Mods Manager, find your mod again, hit the three dots and choose Edit Mod. Step 3. Inside the editor, you can update things like background images, audio, color schemes, and text effects. You can also tweak how animations or transitions behave. Step 4. To avoid confusion, scroll down in the editor and change the version number and update your mod's description if needed. Step 5. Once everything looks good, click Save Mod. Your changes will overwrite the existing one and Opera GX will auto-load the updated version the next time it runs. Just a little heads up, if your mod stops working after updating, try clearing mod cache or fully restarting Opera GX. Also double check image/audio formats to avoid loading issues. I hope this video helped you. If it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you've got a question, just drop it in the comments.